So part C of question number 1, the manager will create a new box plot with the combined data from the sample of cars in country A and country B. So we're going to combine those two box plots. In part I, they said, what is the range of the combined data set? Justify your answer. And in the second part, what is the possible value of the median of the combined data set? To find the range, what are we going to do? So let's go to the answer. To find the range of the combined data set, we're going to get the largest maximum of the two. So maximum of country B. So here the maximum of country A is 38, whereas the maximum of country B is a 40. So we're going to take the largest value, the maximum of country B, which is 40 miles per gallon. It's also going to be the maximum of the combined data set, as all gas mileages of cars manufactured in country A are less than 40 miles per gallon. It's important to justify your answer. Okay, so if you combine those two data sets, then the maximum would be 40. And if you combine those two data sets, the minimum is the smallest minimum out of country A and country B. So the minimum would be 14, right? So the minimum of country A is 14, which is also the minimum of the combined data set, as all the gas mileages of the cars manufactured in country B are greater than 14. Okay, so 14 is the minimum in the combined data set, 40 is the maximum in the combined data set, and so the combined range is going to be 40 minus 14, which is 26 miles per gallon. So this one should be clear, obvious, a simple question, part I. Okay, the range. Now, in part double I, they said, what is the possible value of the median of the combined data set? And so if we look at country A and country B, for country A, we realize that the third quartile, Q3, of country A is 24 miles per gallon. And also, Q1 of country B is 24 miles per gallon. What a coincidence, right? Now, in country A, you have 100 cars. And what is the definition of the third quartile, Q3? Q3 means that you have 75% of your data to the left of Q3. So here's 75% of the 100 cars, right? And for Q1 for country B, it means 25% of the data set lies below the first quartile, 25%. And so since you have 100 cars in country A, it means you have 75 cars in country A that have a gas mileage of less than 24 miles per gallon. And in country B, 25% of the data set is below Q1. It means since you also have 100 cars in country B, then 25 cars, 25% of 100, so 25 cars will have a gas mileage of less than or equal to 24 miles per gallon. And so what can I say here? 1 second. Over here we say, since we have a sample of 100 cars in country A and 24 miles per gallon represents the third quartile, it means 75% of the cars, or at least 75 cars, will have gas mileage less than 24 miles per gallon. Since we have a sample of 100 cars manufactured in country B and 24 miles per gallon represents the first quartile, it means that 25% of the cars, so at least 25 cars out of the 100, will have a gas mileage of less than 24. So when you combine those two data sets, when you combine country A and country B, the combined data set will have 200 cars in total. So if you add up 75 cars and 25 cars, you have at least 100 cars, 75 plus 25, at least 100 cars who have a gas mileage of less than or equal to 24 miles per gallon. And at least 100 cars with a gas mileage more than 24 miles per gallon. So that means if the total number of cars is 200 in the combined data set, and you have 100 cars to the left of it, and 100 cars to the right of this value here, then by definition, 24 miles per gallon is going to be the median of my combined data set. So the median of the combined data set is 24 miles per gallon, and this is the justification. Okay, so all this is the justification.